the State of the Union, which I believe is unprecedented. I thought was a breach of etiquette. The court actually is at that event not for pleasure and not even as a duty, it's not required, but as a sign of respect for the other branches, for the presidency and the Congress. And to subject it to a direct attack in a setting in which it can't respond, I thought was a breach of etiquette which shouldn't have happened. Now, on the substance, when the president had said that it was breaking a 100-year precedent, he was wrong. As even Linda Greenhouse, the liberal Supreme Court reporter of the New York Times, pointed out, the ruling 100 years ago was the prohibition of a direct sending of money from corporations into the treasuries of candidates. That remains illegal. It was not touched in this decision, so there was no overturning of that precedent. What it dealt with is a question of corporations funding speech attacking a candidate, and the court in its decision had said that it was not dealing with that issue, which means if it wasn't, the existing statute which prohibits it stands. So I think he was wrong on the substance as well as the precedent here.
Juan, you pointed out the atmospheric.
Controversial part of the president's speech last night was this.
With all due deference to separation of powers, last week the Supreme Court reversed a century of law that I believe will open the floodgates for special interests, including foreign corporations, to spend without limit in our elections.
Okay, the real reason this is controversial is that there is a law that says foreign enterprises cannot spend money in a U.S.